Good afternoon. I'm Joon-Soo, chair of Decode of PICES. Now I'd like to talk about the North Pacific Marine Science Organization, the UN decade, and possible cooperation with IODE. The keywords of my presentation will be PICES and UN decade and Decode and cooperation with IODE. North Pacific Marine Science Organization, PICES, is an intergovernmental scientific organization composed of 6 member countries: Canada, China, Japan, Korea, Russia, and the United States. The main objective is to promote and coordinate marine scientific research to advance scientific knowledge of North Pacific, especially north of 30 degrees north. This is the structure of PICES. In the PICES ecosystem, there is a top predator governing council, the BIPOS. But the science board is a core component of PICES, actually. So the science board consists of 5 standing scientific committees and 2 technical committees. And expert groups and scientific programs belongs to science board as well. And future, the core science program of PICES, I'll talk about later in more detail. The cooperation mechanism of PICES is mainly through various meetings, such as annual meetings, international symposium, workshops, training courses, and special sessions. And there was a PICES 2018 annual meeting last year in Yokohama, not far from here. And now I'll talk about the UN decade and PICES. The future is an integrated science program, and this future science program matches well with the UN decade, I think. And the main goals are to understand how marine ecosystems in the North Pacific respond to climate change and human activities, and to forecast the ecosystem and communicate new insights to people. As can be seen from the conceptual diagram of future, the main concerns of future and PICES are climate system and marine ecosystem and human system and their linkages. So future seems aligned well to the UN decade societal outcomes, and also future objectives is closely aligned to the societal outcomes. Taking a close look at the UN decade R&D priority area, comprehensive map of the ocean is very low priority in PICES. But a comprehensive ocean observing system is high priority in PICES. And our quantitative understanding of ocean ecosystem systems is high priority in PICES. But unfortunately, data and information system is low priority in PICES. Even ocean dimension in an integrated multi-hazard warning system is not a PICES priority. but ocean compartment of the Earth system is high priority in PICES. Capacity development, education and training, ocean literacy is low or medium priority in PICES. So there are a lot of sustainable development goals, sub-objectives and indicators, but according to PICES arithmetic, only a subset are relevant to PICES. And PICES would not be the primary source for indicator data. It is because PICES doesn't have their own data center and or not enough budget or steps. Nevertheless, TCODE is striving to do our work within DOR. So we identify the data management requirements of PICES and develop plans. And we can also establish expert groups and guide them. And finally, we develop, review, and update PICES data policies and data inventory. This is a picture taken at the TCODE business meeting of PICES 2018. As you can see, our beloved IODE co-chair, Professor Takamichita was there. And he joined PICES TCODE as an ex-officio member representing IODE last year. So currently we have 16 members in total. Since 1994, TCODE has done the following activities. And currently we are doing this kind of activities, not that broad, not that many, but I feel there are growing needs for data-related activities in PICES, such as management of metadata and data itself. This is an example of TCODE activities, PICES metadata catalog. And this is the PICES data policy, which was finalized and approved by Governing Council last year. Now let's think about possible cooperation with IODE. There are a small number of metadata, data, and data product in PICES. So I think joining IODE as an ADU or AIU will be an option for cooperation. But considering that the PICES, the main concerns of PICES are the scientific research, so I expect we can have more cooperation in the data-related area through the symposium, workshops, joint working groups, summer schools. Finally, I'd like to let you know that the PICES 2019 annual meeting will be held in October this year in Victoria, Canada, under the theme of connecting science and communities, changing North Pacific. And I ask for your interest and participation at the PICES annual meeting. Thank you.